Hello guys, welcome back. So in our previous video, we were able to work on our category name here, make it visible, and also our recent post here, we made it visible. So now in this video, what we are working on is if you click on a particular category, if the category has three posts under it, only that three posts should be visible. Alright, so the page we are going to be making use of, this page. So if you click on a particular category that has, let's say you click on travel, it has three posts, you are going to see the three posts here. Only the three posts to be visible. So this is what we'll be doing this video. Now let's start. Let's go to our VS Code. So now in our VS Code, we have to create a link. We have to create a URL. So in our blog details page, in our category section, this is our category section. We have to create a link here that will take us to the category page. Okay, to what we are actually creating here is a URL. To create a URL, I hope you remember how to create your URL. So that is URL, your brackets, close it. Then what should we name our URL? Inside your single quotes, that'll be blog hash. Name it blog/category list /list. And also we also want to pass the ID with this URL. So now we've taken everything, taking all the field in our category with this variable. So we'll use this variable here to get our ID. That will be net this variable and to get our. So if you also want to pass your slug here, you can pass your slug. I've done slug in the previous video, so now I'm passing ID here. You can have idea of the two, how it works. So now let's create our URL in our web.php. Inside your web.php, do this, paste here. And what is our URL? Our URL is blog/category/list. Paste here. And also our requested ID, we're going to be passing it. So what method name should we name it? Let's name it category list. Now I'll be working with this method name in our blog post controller. And let's do that. Inside our blog post controller, we'll create another one, public function. And what is the name of our method? Category list. We paste it here. Copy this note. And also you are going to pass your requested ID here. So now inside your category list method, what we want to do is we want to get all the blog posts, we want to get all the category, and we want to get all our category list. Because inside the blog category page, we also need our category list here, and we also need our latest post here also. And let's do that. Inside our VS Code, here actually we've gotten all our category and our latest post here. We can just copy this, paste it here. And now to get our blog post, we'll take it as blog variable. That'll be blog. And inside our blog, we'll write our method name. That'll be blog. and we are going to use the where function. That will be where let me go to our database, start our blog post, where this blog cat id is equals to our category id. Once the blog cat id is equals to this category id, which is also the requested id, it will give us all the posts related to this blog cat id. Hope you get what I'm saying. Once this blog cat id inside our blog post table is equals to our category id, to give us all the posts related to this blog cat id. Now let's do that in our VS Code. Now once our blog cat id is equal to our requested id here, which is the category id. Once it's equal to this category id, we get all. That means we should get all the posts under the particular id. So now that we've done that, let's return our view page. That will be return view. Where are we creating our category page? We're creating it in our front end. Inside our front end, put it inside the folder called blog, and we'll now create blog underscore category underscore cat underscore list. Don't forget, all these should be in a single quote. Now after doing that, you have to pass all this inside your compact. That'll be your compact. Then to your compact, have your blog category list. As simple as this. So now let's create our blog category list, blog cat list inside our front end blog. So you go to your resources, your view. Inside your resources, your view, inside your front end, inside this blog folder, to create the file blogcatlist.blade.py. Now after creating this, first thing we want to do is we want to load our extend our section for the front end. Now for that, you go to your index, you just copy this, paste it. Also you copy this also, paste it. So before we save all and check what we've done out, we made some mistake. So here it should be blog cats on that, not cats. Now so inside your blog details page, after blog category list, we're supposed to put a slash here. If not, we will get error. So now let's save all and run your PHP artisan optimize. And let's check it out. So you reload the page. So now if we click on our category, we're supposed to get our header and footer. As you can see, our header and footer is visible. Now all we have to do is we have to just load this inside here. So now let's do that. So just check the file name. File name is archive.html. We'll go to our exercise folder. Inside our exercise folder, inside the front end, I'm going to look for archive. This is it. You just right click and open with VS Code. So now we've opened it. So we don't need the header Also, we don't need the mobile header. Okay, so now from our breadcrumb, need this, need this. Instagram, we don't need it. Okay, so we are going to be taking just these two parts. We'll copy it inside our blog cart list. I'm going to paste it. So now what do we want to do? We want to visible the particular category, the particular post that is under a particular category. So now we're also going to run our for each loop here. So let's find the common div. This is the first div, second div, third div, fourth div, and the fifth div. So now we just need one div. So we're looking for just one div. So you cut this space off. So now we are going to run our for each loop here. That will be at each loop. Then down here we are going to end the for each loop. End each loop. So now inside the for each loop, what variable are we using to get? We are using the blog variable. We'll copy it, paste it. Then we'll take the blog variable as this variable, take it as item. Now inside our item, what do we want to display? Our image, category name, the post topic, name of the person that posted it, and the date. So now we've done all this in our recent post. All we just have to do, just have to copy them. Now this is our image. Copy our image. Paste it. Okay, now our category. Let's go to our recent post. This how we did our category. Remember we created the relationship first. Not doing this. Paste our category here. Don't need this. Also paste our category here if you wish. So now the title. The recent post. Take the title. Paste it here. So now the name of the user that posted it. So copy this. Paste it. And also the date. We'll copy the date also. Formatted date that we did earlier. We'll paste it here. So now if you want to display category here also, just copy it from this end. It and paste it here. That is all you need to do. Now you also need to display your the list of category. So here also you find the common part and pick one. You just pick one. This is the one we are using. So we also run our for each loop. We've done this something exactly similar to this in our blog details page. We can just copy it and paste it here. Remember our the variable name we used to get all our category. Let's confirm it. It's B category. The same thing. Take it as cat. So we use cat to get the image and not the category name. So we also do the same for recent posts. Let's change this to recent post. We also do the same. So let's look for the common div. Okay, we have 3 here, so we just need one. So we also did similar thing in our blog details page. We can just copy it. This is it here. And just copy it, paste it here. We don't need this Instagram part. It's it. So now let's save all and check what we've done. So let's save all. Come back to that. Save all. Now let's reload the page. Let's reload this page now. As you can see, let me go back. We'll go back to the home page. What I'm saying. Now, if you click on a post here, now you can see all your category now. Yeah. So now let's click on food and drinks category. You can see it's only food and drinks category that is visible here. Hope you understand it. So any category you click, it will say only the category, only the post that is under that category. And also we made our category visible here too, and our recent post also. So it's as simple as that. So in our next video, I'll show you how to display your category name up here also. So in this video, we're able to segment our category in the sense that when you click on a particular category, it takes you to another page where only the posts related to that category is being displayed. As you can see here, bit of food and drink, only food and drinks is displayed here. If we click on animal, only animal is displayed here. If we click on sport and fitness, only sports and fitness is displayed here. So in the next video, I'll show you how to display the category name, the particular category name you clicked on here too. See you in the next video.